Hello everyone, this is Adil here and you're gonna learn new things as I said before in my first video about how you're gonna use Canva for your benefit in different areas. So let's kick off with the presentations, and I said the presentations is one of the interesting part in Canva. Others are also interesting, because it's kind of a place where you can do a lot of things. Right now you can see we have different types of presentation formats you're using for advertising, brand guidelines, business, church, school, creative, educational. But let's try this creative and what you got, marketing, right, technological. These are the really interesting ones, and I think they will be interesting to use. Like in front of you, you can see here like creative writing 101, colorful gray goal setting presentations, 30 60 90 day plan, green and orange modern corporate creative day plan, boost your creativity in 7 simple ways. Right, these things are done by different people for different places and different purposes. In creativity segment and in the marketplace and marketing presentations, you have a different ways. Let's open one of them for you guys so you can understand. Let's go with this one. In this, and in the marketing segment and in creativity segment, we should go with this. Alright, and in a technological segment, I know you can use a lot of things. You can see here in front of you, this is the best part in it, and your social media on teenagers, positive effects, wonders of the telephone, cloud computing, the basics, and so much more. Right, let's go with the, what do you say, technology and education. Let's do this, as what we are doing is in technology based stuff, so you can use different templates for different purposes. Alright, so let's close this, and right, there you go. Now you can use this template, just click on it. It was done by someone else. As you have different templates, you can use it for different purposes in different places, and change things in it, make a different impact, use for different purposes. You can do a lot of in it. So if you want to you see how you're going to present it in Canva, this simple one, you use the same one, and you can like this. Why I said goals, types of goals. Right, managing goals can be different, unrealistic goals, timely, resource and journal, all that stuff is there. So when you need to, sorry for that, I'm a little bit sleepy right there, but if you need to change in it something, let's pick this one first. Alright, we're starting off this one. Right, we are not focusing on anything else. Let's take it as a whole one. Alright, you can see these all elements are individually put into it. We can change it by elements here. You can see the shapes. Alright, there are different shapes right in front of you. Alright, then you got icons. Right, icons can be used in different way, or like you can see these different ones here. Right, and let's put it this way. This one I'm trying to, it's a pretty big one right here. You can, make it small to, right, you got here. I can change this one, the background. Alright, you can do the background thing also in it. Let's go to background, and in background we can go with this, or any of that. Right, you can see we've got a variety of colors here, and we can use it. Of course, some colors work in in different ways. You can change it also in a different way, like the text here. Now you started this. Let's go back here. You can go to text segment here. There are different styles for adding headings, subheadings, and a little bit of body text. But we are trying to add a heading, and let's go for a really fancy stuff, or a different one here. Now let's go for this one. Right, and you can drag it here. Sorry for that. You can drag this thing here, right here, right, and then you can change what it is by yourself. This might look pretty awkward to you guys. What we can do is just click it here. If we don't pick it the style from there, we can do it in a different way. We can just click it like that. You got a style here, and you're gonna use any of them for yourself. Alright, goals are life changers. Alright, you can use others. There are a lot of text styles you can use in it. Alright, even in different languages. You can use it for Chinese and other purposes, and even other different languages other than the regular ones we use. Alright, you can see here you go, a lot of them, and this is the best part in it. You can use your languages, and it turned out to be wonderful for you in different ways. Right, here you go, and we just go with the Italian web board. Right, so this looks okay. Now this is the basic thing. We can even delete things from here. We need to remove these. Alright, we have removed it. Alright, we remove this one. We can remove it also, and we can add on other elements in it in different ways. Right, you can see here, what do you call it? A lot of stuffs in it. Alright, let's the way I just put the brain thing here, we can put other things in it, and we just go for the shapes. Alright, we got lines, charts. I left Canva, free photos. We got photos also. We can search it like goal. Alright, let's change it into goal. Right, let's see what you got. You got different things right here. Like you can put this picture. Whoa. Alright, this one. Come on. Now that one actually went down, probably, which I don't want it to go down. So we just remove that one like that, or we can use other things in it. Yeah, it's just an example that you can do a lot of things in it in different ways. The way I just said, free photos you got. Alright, so you can use this free photo to add into a different place. Alright, like this one. You can put it here. Alright, and another interesting part in it is, as you can see, it's in the front. Alright, what we can do is arrange backward. Okay, when we click other elements and arrange in a forward. Okay, then we click other elements and then we arrange and scroll forward. Right, And one other thing we can do is, as we have this here, we can just click it and cover the whole stuff in it. The other way around is pretty simple, like this whole background. This, right, I'm gonna delete it. Like this, right? It's all gone. I'm gonna delete this one, right? And what I'm gonna do is utilize this in a different way. Or you can do is go into the frames. You can even change the way the pictures might appear in it, right? We just want it to be arranged in the back way, back all of it. Or we can just simply do is delete the element. Okay, as we said this before, we've got icons here, we've got shapes here. Sorry, my net is a little bit slow, and this has so much in it and so much learning to do in every day that you can just put the things in it just like this. You can put whatever you like, the things that seems perfect in your presentations and all that, right? You can put it in it, like this. Just put this, and we might make it even smaller. Let's make it smaller, right? We got this, or we got other elements in it. You can see here. I'm scrolling down. Of different colors and different things for different purposes. You can see if you're gonna make a medical stuff thing in it, you can use the icons in this also. But in the pictures, you can also use for that purpose. There are pictures for different kind of presentations that can be utilized. Alright, and then we again go with the shapes. We said full. You can use any kind of shape you need to. Alright, they eventually will appear in the color ones, like this ones. Alright, you can see like these ones. Or one thing more you can do, there are plenty of things you can do in it. Put this triangle in it. Right, let's make it small. Put around here. Right, and what we can do is put it in different colors. Okay, let's go there. And another thing we could do is its own properties. There you go. Whoa. Right, as we in the background, right, let's transform it to this, and you can always change the things. So it's pretty simple for you guys to do, and you can just use this. It's saved, it's automatically saved in your Canva login, and you're just gonna use this thing, and for the rest of the presentations you can change a lot of things in it. Just like this, the marketing plan, you can see these images are being put in. Right, let's use this template, and let's go to the last one. My video might be a little bit long for you guys, but I think it will help you understanding how you can use Canva in making presentations better, with a variety of things and objects and in a way that you might have never thought of it. Right, so you got this, and let's remove this background. Delete the image. We just did it. we add an element here. What we can do is an element, we can just remove the element. Alright, we got frames here. Alright, and we can do is right, use this one here. Alright, and then we go to elements again, we go for photo pictures, free photos, and you can add different things in different way, like, well, we need it all together in it. Alright, we can do that like in this one, or we can do is another thing is element deleting. We go back to the element frames, and we can use what we can use. Alright, now look at this one. This might appear a little bit bigger here. I can a little bit shorter it down. So guys, you can use this, or let's do some cool different stuff to delete the element. Alright, and we got this. Now for the pictures, you just go back in it, free photos. You can upload your own also. If you are unable to find pictures for yourself, you can upload it yourself into it by different methods and different procedures in it. And if we look into the free photos, you can see here that we can put the picture as a whole, like you can see it here, or we can do another way is it's the most interesting part in it. These segments can be utilized separately. Alright, there you go, and we can use it in this way. Right. Okay, big boy, going on. As this whole, right? Or you can go back to the element and grids. Grids is also a different interesting thing. Now I use this grid in here. It's pretty big, yes, I can see it. Just covered most of the slides in it. What you can do is make it short a little bit. And voila. Right. Now you have the different grids in it. Alright. Each one have a different one. Now just go into it. Keep adding the pictures separately. For this one, alright. We're gonna use for this one, alright. We're gonna use this one for this one here. So you can see in the presentation of marketing stuff, even you can use different grids and frames in order to put multiple pictures, multiple things into it to elaborate and make it more beautiful or more engaging for the presentation and for the viewers, so they get more engagement when they are looking at the images here, right? And last but not the least, I told you about the technological in education. This kind of thing is also used. You can use it in different presentations. So we continue to do this, and you can utilize it in different ways, and just as it is, you can use to present it in starting way. Let's go back. I haven't changed the first one yet, but I just did the second one for you guys. You can change it in this way. Even the situational analysis and university, all these things can be changed over the time, okay, according to your desire and all that. So thank you very much, and subscribe to my channel, and do spread the word and give comments. What do you think? So I can improve if I have to improve, and where I need more improvement. I'll appreciate your subscriptions and your comments. Please do like and give your comments. Thank you very much.